Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this little frilly cell phone pouch. So let's get started. I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays. You can slow down the videos by clicking the gear icon below the video. I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 5.5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. Start with a foundation chain that is as wide as your cell phone. Like that. Make 2 single crochet in the second stitch from the hook. 1 and 2. Single crochet in each stitch across the chain. To make a single crochet, insert the hook into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through both loops on the hook. So go ahead and single crochet all the way down the chain. Okay, I've worked all the way down to the last stitch. I'm going to make 2 single crochet in that stitch. 1 and 2. And now I'm going to work down the other side of the chain. So single crochet in every stitch all the way down the chain. Okay, I've worked down to the last stitch. There's my first 2 single crochets, and I'm going to slip stitch to join. And that is the bottom of the bag, and it's going to fit here like this. Chain 1, single crochet in every stitch all the way across the row. 1 single crochet in each stitch. So you're going to work all the way around and then slip stitch to join here in this first single crochet. So I'm going to work around. Okay, I worked all the way around and a slip stitch to join in the first single crochet. And that's beginning to form the bottom of the pouch. And now you're going to chain 1 and again single crochet all the way around. So I'm going to single crochet in this first stitch because my chain 1 does not count as a stitch. You could put a stitch marker in that stitch. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to single crochet all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around, and there's the stitch that I'm going to slip stitch in. So I'm going to slip stitch to join. And I'm going to work 1 more row. So it's my chain 1, and I'm going to single crochet, and I'll mark my stitch, and I'm going to single crochet all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. I'm going to slip stitch to join, and now I can take that marker out. And so there's the bottom of the bag. And now I'm going to show you how to do the first row of frills. So I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to single crochet in the next stitch, but only in the back side of the stitch. So single crochet in the back side of the stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the back side of the stitch. 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the back side of the stitch. And I'm going to do that all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. There's my first chain 3, and I'm going to single crochet in that last stitch. Now because we worked in the back side of the stitch only, you can see these loops here, and that's what we're going to work into in the next row. So I'm going to chain 1 And you can see along this row here, those are the stitches we're going to work into. Right along there. So it will help if you hold the frills away in the front. And I'm going to single crochet in that stitch. And again, you can mark that stitch. So single crochet all the way around, working in those loops. So single crochet in each stitch. So all the way around. And slip stitch to join. And I'm going to make one more row of single crochet. I have 2 rows of single crochet between each frill. So I've chained 1, and I'm just going to go ahead and single crochet in each stitch all the way around. All the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around, so I have my row of frills and my 2 rows of single crochet. Like that. That's this part. So the next row will be a row of frills, and then 2 rows of single crochet, a row of frills, 2 rows of single, a row of frills, 2 rows of singles, and a row of frills. If you need one more row, you can go ahead and make one more row. So you make as many rows as you need of your frills. So then the next row of frills will be exactly the same. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the next stitch, working only in the back side of the stitch. So 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the back side of the stitch. And you're going to work that way all the way across. And that will form your second row of frills. Now when you've made as many frills as you need, you'll then work rows of single crochet until your pouch is as tall as you would like it to be. And I'm going to show you in the pink color because you wouldn't be able to see my stitches if I used the black. So I'm going to start with a foundation chain of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And I'm going to single crochet in the second stitch from the hook and each stitch all the way down the chain. Now I'm at the last stitch. I'm going to make 2 stitches in this stitch, 1 and 2. And now I'm going to work all the way down the other side of the chain. Like that, and I'm going to slip stitch to join. So that's your first row. Chain 1, single crochet in each stitch all the way around. Again, single crochet, so I've worked all the way down this one side. Now I'm going to leave a loop for the button, so I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to skip this stitch here, and I'm going to single crochet in the next stitch. So there's my buttonhole, and then I'm going to continue to single crochet all the way down and slip stitch to join. And slip stitch to join and fasten off, and leave it long enough yarn end for sewing it onto your pouch. So there's the buttonhole. So you'll place that on this side and then bring this around to the back and sew the closure on the back. And you can sew all around if you like, or you could do some excess. It's entirely up to you. And then you can sew a button on this side. Sew a button that will fit through your buttonhole, like that. And this is how it would look if you make it in black. You could crochet a cord, and this one was crocheted with 3 strands of worsted weight yarn and you could attach those to your side of your pouch. And I have this one that I purchased at the thrift store for $2.99, and I can attach this one to the sides. And that's how easy it is to crochet this frilly cell phone pouch. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.